I state your name.
I state your name. Sandy Russell.
Do solemnly swear
solemnly swear
that I will support
that I will support
and defend
and defend
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of California
and the Constitution of the State of California
against all enemies,
against all enemies,
foreign and domestic.
foreign and domestic.
I will bear true faith
I will bear true faith
and allegiance
and allegiance
to the Constitution of the United States,
to the Constitution of the United
the
States,
Constitution of the State of California,
the Constitution of the State of California,
and support the mission and bylaws
and support the mission and bylaws
of the Elk Grove South County Democratic Club.
of the Elk Grove South County Democratic Club.
I take this obligation freely,
I take this obligation freely,
without any mental reservations
without any mental reservations
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
I will well
I will well
and faithfully
and faithfully
discharge the duties
discharge the duties
upon which I am about to enter.
upon which I am about to enter.
Well, congratulations.